Hey guys, very good afternoon and welcome back to your channel, that is Unacademy NEET English. I'm going to give you this best memory chart and definitely you guys are going to get at least 40 marks from this one memory chart. So let's go to this memory chart and try to put it in a hippocampus. And those students, those who think that on chemistry pedicare adu customer. So I would like to say no, it's very easy. So what I can say, it's romba sulbam. So first of all, we have to complete this circle. Can you see the circle? Yes, say yes if you can see the circle. So I'm going near to benzene. Can you see benzene anywhere? It must be looking tough, but yes, I'm your HSP. I will make it really very simple. And once if you are going to put it in your memory, definitely it is going to be very simple. So let's start from this benzene. Can you see benzene? So how to convert this benzene into toluene? Just see to it. If you react benzene with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, this reaction is known as, dear kids, Friedel-Crafts reaction. So benzene will convert into toluene. And now when this toluene reacts with Cl2H nu, this reaction is free radical substitution reaction. It will give you benzyl chloride. Either you can say benzyl chloride or you can say benzyl chloride. Now, when this benzyl chloride reacts with KOH aqueous, can you see KOH aqueous? It is going to give you benzyl alcohol, or you can pronunciate it benzyl alcohol. Now, this benzyl alcohol on reaction with PCC, this PCC is being MOA. MOA means mild oxidizing agent. In your NCERT, if I talk about old NCERT, it's given on page number 332, old NCERT, and new NCERT, it's given on page number 340. Full form is pyridinium chlorochromate. Definitely this will convert benzyl alcohol to benzaldehyde. Now benzaldehyde on reaction with KMnO4, acidic medium, potassium dichromate, or concentrated HNO3, all these three are the examples of strong oxidizing agent. This will convert benzaldehyde to benzoic acid. Now suppose this benzyl alcohol is directly reacting with all these strong oxidizing agent, then in single step you must have got benzoic acid. So let's move step by step. Can you see how much path we have covered? From benzene to benzaldehyde. Can you see in between the arrows are there? I will let you know about those arrows. You can see we are just moving by road, and now later on, just in few seconds, I will tell you how to convert this benzene in single step into benzaldehyde. But no, I'm not going toward that side. No distraction, no diversion. Now, benzaldehyde to benzoic acid. Now, benzoic acid on reaction with ammonia, this is acid-base neutralization reaction. So, this benzoic acid on reaction with ammonia, because ammonia is being base, on reaction with benzoic acid, it will convert into ammonium benzoate. This is being salt, and salt requires heat to further release water. So on heating, it will eliminate out water and you will get benzamide, CONH2, benzene plus CONH2. Now, benzamide on reaction with Br2KOH. You can see Br2KOH. This is known as Hofmann-bromamide degradation reaction. Br2KOH on reaction means Br2 plus KOH, it gives KOBr, potassium hypobromide, and this reaction's name is Hofmann-bromamide degradation or Hofmann-bromamide rearrangement. There is shortening of the chain in this reaction. 1 degree amide converts into 1 degree amine with number of intermediates, but those intermediates I will let you know later on. So up to benzamide we have reached Now, from where we have started, kids? We have started from benzene. Once again, let me show you. This was the memory chart. Now, let's go closer by to benzene because this circle is still not completed. So, just this was the benzene. And we have gone like this: benzene, toluene, benzyl chloride, benzyl alcohol, benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, and then ammonium benzoate, and like this. Now, see to it. This was your benzene. And if we want to reach from benzene to aniline, just see to it what we are supposed to do. React benzene with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. This is known as nitration reaction. These two together will produce nitronium ion. Here H2SO4 act as an acid. No. H2SO4, yes, H2SO4 act as an acid. And HNO3, yes, it will act as a base, although both two are acid. But in this process, H2SO4 will act as an acid and HNO3 is a weak acid. It is going to accept donate, means the proton which was donated by H2SO4. So it will act as base, and both together they are going to produce nitronium ion, and you will get nitrobenzene. And nitrobenzene on reduction with tin or HCl is going to produce aniline. Oh. Now this round circle got completed. Let me show you the round circle. This round circle got completed. Now let's see the fillings inside the round circle. What I was telling you, if you want to convert this benzene directly into benzaldehyde, so take the flight of gutter man. See the name, man of gutter. Either you can do Gutterman-Koch reaction or you can do Gutterman aldehyde synthesis. Are you getting my point? In both the two cases, you are going to get benzaldehyde in a single step from benzene. And if you want to convert toluene to benzaldehyde, what you are supposed to do? Yes, what you can see, toluene to benzaldehyde, it's Itard reaction, CrO2, Cl2. Okay, now let me tell you rest of the other things. You can see on the left hand side, but yes, I'm not going to move towards left hand side right now. See, from aniline, this was your aniline at this place. Can you see aniline at the top? Just at the top, can you see aniline? And aniline to benzene diazonium chloride. What we are supposed to do? Just do the diazotization. Diazotization means reaction of aromatic primary amine with NaNO2 HCl. They are going to produce nitrosonium ion. This is the actual attacking agent. But if you see, during nitration you got NO2 plus. That was nitronium ion. See, what's the difference? Here nitronium ion during nitration NO2 plus. But during diazotization there is just nitrosonium ion. You got benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride's reaction in your NCERT, they are given on page number 394 to 396. If you talk about old NCERT and we talk about new NCERT, it's given on page number 404. Now see to it, everyone. If we react benzene diazonium chloride with cuprous chloride HCl, this is known as Sandmeyer reaction, very good yield. And we are doing the reaction with copper HCl. This is known as Gutterman reaction, yield is poor. Now we are going to react this benzene diazonium chloride with cuprous cyanide. What you will get? In presence of KCN, cyanobenzene, also known as benzonitrile. And if you are doing the hydrolysis of cyanobenzene in acidic medium, you will get benzoic acid. Whereas cyanobenzene on reaction with stannous chloride HClH2O plus, this is known as Stefan's reduction. Partial reduction, Stefan's reduction. This will convert cyanobenzene into benzaldehyde. Now see, This benzene diazoxide chloride shows coupling reaction given on page number 398, old NCERT, new NCERT 406. Coupling reactions. Example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene diazoxide chloride on reaction with phenol in slightly basic medium will produce orange color dye. And if you are reacting this benzene diazoxide chloride with aniline in slightly acidic medium, you are going to get yellow color dye. What's the name of orange color dye? You can search it in your NCERT. Then you will get para-hydroxyazobenzene. And what's the name of yellow dye? The examiner can ask. That's name is para-aminoazobenzene. It's already given you in NCERT. You can check it out over there. Now you can see this reaction. Can you see benzene diazoxide chloride has taken the flight and it wants to convert into benzene in single step. Could you please help me? It is reacting with phosphinic acid H3PO2 or ethyl alcohol or glucose or stannous chloride. What's common in all four these chemical reagents? My kids, dear kids, they all are being reducing agent. They can undergo oxidation. So it is an example of redox reaction. Just see to it. What's the name? Phosphinic acid. Very, very important. Number of times examiner has asked. These questions are really very, very important for all the competitive exams. If I talk about your NEET exam or should I talk about IIT exam, because all these questions have been several times they are means always this is the first choice of examiners. So this round circle I have completed. Let me check it out once that I have completed this round circle. Yes, I have completed this round circle. Now let's go to the side one on the left hand side. See this arrow. Oh, this arrow from benzene diazoxide chloride. This blue arrow is going. You must have played lead and snake game. So like that, it's moving upward side, and what you are going to get? This benzene diazoxide chloride got converted to phenol. Oh, great. So what's the reason over there? Nothing else other than the water. It's just warm water. This warm water will convert this benzene diazoxide chloride directly to phenol. Now the boss phenol. Phenol says, I could show the Riemann-Tiemann reaction if I get the help of my friends. Who are the friends? Chloroform and KOH, carbon tetrachloride and KOH. So if you are using chloroform KOH, you will get salicylaldehyde, and if you are using CCl4 KOH, you will get salicylic acid. Both of them are the examples of Riemann-Tiemann reaction and salicylic acid. Although you will get some para amount, para product, but that should be the minor one, because in ortho, there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and due to chelate formation, this compound is being more stable. So when you are going to react this salicylic acid with either of the two reagents, what are these two reagents? Either you can use acetyl chloride or you can use acetic anhydride, you will get acetyl salicylic acid, and this is really the painkiller. Just see to it. It is also helpful in, yes, heart attack, because it is blood thinner. So this analgesic painkiller, it saves us from heart attack. What's the name? Acetyl salicylic acid, aspirin. So each and everything got cleared. And dear students, really this memory chart I have been using from last 23 years. If I talk about Tanishka Yadav, 715, first rank, NEET 2022. If I talk about Chaitanya Mittal, All India, 4th rank, AIMS, at that time AIMS was There was separate exam for AIMS. This I'm talking about Chaitanya Mittal. He got 4th rank in year 2019. If I talk about Mehak Arora 2018, AIR 3, AIMS, and Mehak's younger brother Suez Arora, year 2021, 715 marks, 5th rank. All they were perfect in this memory chart. Within fraction of seconds, they were going to tell you each and everything, what is written and where it is written. So you kids are supposed to keep this memory chart in your hippocampus. Whenever anyone is asking, anyone means examiner will ask questions from here, so you have to keep each and every point like this in your memory, because there are number of chapters in your chemistry and you won't be able to correlate these reactions. Now, if you want to correlate, if you want to do the conversions, and if you want to get perfection in your questions like that, A reacts with B, B reacts with C, what you're going to get the product. Such type of questions you can do within fraction of seconds if you get command on this memory chart. So I pray to Almighty God that you should get best rank, you should get dream college with best marks. All the best. Love you guys.